In this video, I'll show you the nerves of the upper extremity. Okay? Now the brachial plexus is going to be up here, and the brachial plexus, you can see, is going to wrap around the axillary artery. Let's look at some of the branches here. This branch right here would be the lower subscapular nerve because it's going to the lower portion of the subscapularis muscle. Okay? This nerve over here, this nerve's the musculocutaneous nerve. Musculocutaneous nerve is going to innervate the brachialis, the biceps brachii, and even coracobrachialis. Okay? And you can see some of that branch here, musculocutaneous. This nerve right here, we can follow it down through the arm, past the elbow into the forearm. Okay? That nerve is going to be the median nerve. Okay. That median nerve is going to run right down the middle of the anterior forearm and through a structure known as the carpal tunnel. So when someone has carpal tunnel syndrome, it's the median nerve that gets compressed here at the carpal tunnel. Going back up here, this nerve going down here past the medial epicondyle of the humerus, where all these forearm flexor muscles attach, going behind that, going down into the ulnar side of the forearm, that's the ulnar nerve. Also up in this area, we see this nerve right here. This nerve is the axillary nerve. Now the axillary nerve is going to pass through a structure known as the quadrangular space, and that quadrangular space is right in here. It's bordered by the long head of the triceps, the neck of the humerus, and then the teres major and teres minor muscle, which you wouldn't be able to see from this view. Teres minor would be on the other side. This muscle you see right here is the subscapularis muscle. Okay. Now, this axillary nerve is going to emerge on this side after it passes through the quadrangular space, and you can see where it would innervate the deltoid muscle. The deltoid muscle would sit here. Okay. Axillary nerve also innervates teres minor as well. Now the radial nerve is going to go behind the humerus, underneath the triceps muscles, and innervate the triceps. This would be a branch of radial nerve coming out here, innervating brachioradialis and extensor carpi radialis longus, and some of these other muscles down in here that have been removed. Okay. But the radial nerve, we can also see a branch of it here called the posterior interosseous nerve, but we can also see the radial nerve right here as it runs down the radial side of the forearm.
If you found this video helpful, click like and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to visit www.humanbodyhelp.com.